Today we're heading out to Pennsylvania, going to meet up with the Walton, PA Discord fellas, a few of them anyway. And we're going to have Walt, obviously. He and Goofy Bastard put this thing together. We've done this similar ride like this back in 2021. We did the Road Apple ride out towards Lancaster County. Ride today is going to be something similar. We're meeting up same place, Valley Forge. All right, it's about 9 o'clock. Yeah, we're supposed to be meeting there around 9:30-ish. So a lot of this is going to be interstate Pennsylvania turnpike type stuff, so I'm not going to bore you with that. We'll see you when we get to Valley Forge. We are off the PA turnpike and just about to come up here to the Valley Forge National Historic Park. Yes. Is it the Harley parking?
Well, except for this guy over here, you know.
That's okay. It sounds pretty good though.
Yeah, that's true.
So.
That's true.
And we got an Indian now too, huh?
Yeah, we got Indian, Harley.
Yeah, first try, I got it neutral.
I'll tell you what, man. It's easier to find neutral in that thing than it is to find than it was in my Kawasaki.
Really? And I got to do the YouTube sync my camera deal. Oh, good Lord. Welcome back now that all us old men stop to pee. was a little bit from the Walton, PA meetup and ride. Had 8 of us riding out there together. Very cool to meet everybody. We had a good ride. Yeah, we caught at least one road that had a crap ton of gravel all over the place. I don't think I was recording, but I almost lost it in the one corner. Well, I got fixated on the gravel and then I almost ended up going into